To use top right corner action to pause or resume auto click feature in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap interaction and dexterity. Scroll down the screen. Under mouse and physical keyboard section, tap auto action after pointer stops. While auto click feature is on, tap pause auto click with and then select top right corner action. Now you can easily pause the auto click feature by hovering and stopping the mouse pointer on the top right corner of the screen. To resume the auto click feature, hover and stop your mouse pointer again on the top right corner of the screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.